Taylor Holmes over here in the middle. Takes the win, dead on with the 5, 430 with the 5, takes the win. Numbers there. Taylor Holmes had 006 light but bogged. So, unable to take the win. Give me just a second. Dan, what was the winner's name on that last one? Michael Johnson from Bakersfield was the winner there, Motorcycle Pro 1. I haven't seen him out here before. He did a very nice job this weekend. He got to the final yesterday in Motorcycle Sport 1 and lost to Taylor, so he was able to return the tables this time. He ain't get the win. We didn't have his name in the computer yesterday, so we weren't sure of that. So now we know Michael Johnson, your winner in Motorcycle Pro 1 today. Pro 1 semifinals up next. Oh, no, I'm sorry, Pro 1's not. Motorcycle Pro 2 semifinals are next. It's going to be Austin Thomas. And I'm not sure the gentleman's name on the green bike over there, but this thing has been running really good all weekend. 4-stroke entry. We dialed 465 over there, and Austin Thomas is 514. Austin Thomas getting it done. 516 on the 514 dial. Right back at home on the bike. He's been running his grandfather, Al McKinney's Jeep, in Pro 2 and Pro 3 action for, I don't know, I guess it's been about a year now. And he hasn't run his bike since then. This is the first time he's had it back out. And he's going to the final. So Austin Thomas will face off with Nikki Bailey in the Motorcycle Pro 2 final. Nikki's got the buyer on here. So Nikki's dialed 475. Nikki goes 469 on her 475 dial. So she may look at redialing for next gen, or maybe she'll have a couple hundreds in the bank there to play with at the other end. We'll see what she decides to do strategy-wise as she faces off with Austin Thomas in the final round. Yeah, the McKinney team's doing quite well today. Is Austin going to the finals, and then his grandpa Al over there still in the Jeep in Pro 3. So thanks to everyone for tuning in this weekend. We're here at the 2016 Avenal Sandjag Spring Nationals in Avenal, California. And we're ready for Pro 1 semifinals. Chris Wells, Ridgefield, Washington-based small block Chevy powered up against Bill Meany, Southern California-based Larry Minor Motorsports built Jeep, small black Chevy powered. This Jeep's going for a double up. Kevin Williams been piloting it in Pro 2 and has reached the final round, and we'll see if Bill can do the same. So Bill Meany's dialed in at 371 and Chris Wells in at 362. Takes the win. Dead on with a 2. 362 with a 2 on the 62 dial. Wow, what a run. Bill Meany was 371.9 on a 71 dial. So that was a great race. Chris won it on reaction time. So Chris Wells going to finals to run against Steve Foster in the Impatient 2 team. Foster, 363 on the 367 dial. So Steve Foster and Chris Wells will face off in the Pro 1 final here in a little bit. So big thanks to the whole crew at Avenal Sandjags. They do a great job putting on the show here, shooting cars down the track. Let's take a quick trip up in the tower, see what's going on. See our announcer extraordinaire, Mr. Dan the Man, on the hot mic, checking out what's going on.
That is an awesome race by those two guys.
Relaying what's happening, checking out his Porter Tree race screen there.
This is what I get to look at all day.
Yes, sir.
Awesome.
Mr. Dan looking at all the great information there. Mario Bramley taking care of all the administrative work up here. He is the consummate professional. He is the man. He's been doing this a long, long time, and he gets the job done. So, if I'm looking at this correctly, we have Pro 3 semis coming up next. It's going to be Bob Glass versus Charlie Johnson and Chris Anderson versus Al McKinney. Dan's been playing music here this weekend on the old sound system we have going, keeping the crowd engaged.
One of the nicest.
Yes.
Actually, the nicest. Very,
Yes.
very nice system here in Avenal.
Yes. Very, very nice setup all around. So we're down to Motorcycle Pro 2 Final, Pro 1 and Pro 2 Finals, and Pro 3 Semis and Finals, along with Top Eliminator, Round 2 and Final Round. So, a little bit of racing left, at least. What time's it getting to be, Dan? 12:50. Wow, we're way early today. Way early. Lots of great racing action here this weekend.
Yeah, funny how you show up.
Oh, we're going to Motorcycle Pro 2 Final. It's the word we just got here in the tower, so I'm going to go down below.
I have to wait a minute.
Check this out. So we just took our little tour up in the tower, see what was going on. These guys do a great job here. I can't say that enough. You know, having been involved in the race management side of things, they definitely got their act together. So it's very cool to see. I really appreciate their tower setup here. They have a container with a platform built on top of it. You don't really need windows or anything here because it really rains. So everything is housed up there. All the stuff that needs to be weather sensitive is in the back there. They can seal that off so nothing can get into it, but pretty cool setup here at Avenal Sandbag in Avenal, California. Lots of field action there. The city of Avenal is over that way, over in that direction, a little ways away. Some top eliminator cars rolling into the lane, so they'll be up here in a little bit. Lots of farm field out there. And then over that way, beyond all the pits and everything, is the Avenal State Prison. So, here we go. Final round in Motorcycle Pro 2. It's going to be Austin Thomas in the near lane and Nikki Bailey in the far lane. Austin Bale 514 and Nikki in 468. Gets it done. 5:37, a little off the dial, but he had a killer light, and he is your winner in Motorcycle Pro 2. So congratulations to Austin Thomas. So he joins Michael Johnson, who was the Motorcycle Pro 1 winner. So Austin Thomas, Motorcycle Pro 2 winner. So we are down to the Pro 1 final, the Pro 2 final, and Pro 3 semis and finals, as well as Top Eliminator semis and finals. So we're going to probably have a pretty good size wait between the Top Eliminator semis and finals, I'm assuming. Usually it takes at least an hour for those guys to turn around. So I'm not sure what exactly we're going to do next. Okay, folks, I just got word we're going to go to Top Eliminator next. I'm going to hang on here for a couple more minutes. But if we go to Eliminator, they're going to do a full track prep, so It's going to be a while, and I'll take a break here for a little bit, and we'll come back later on with some more live. Yeah. So I'm gonna go offline here for a little, off the live stream here for a little while, guys. I'll come back after Top Eliminator runs the semifinal round. So they're clean the track and do Top Eliminator prep, then run them. It's gonna be at least 20 minutes or so, I would assume. So be sure to click the subscribe live button. It'll let you know immediately on Facebook when we go back live. And be sure to like the NSDN Facebook page to see all the updates there. So thanks everybody for tuning in. We'll be back in a little bit.